going to do today?
Go to zoo.
Good morning everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to another vlog. I am in Corfu. I'm in Corfu for 4 days with Rich, with the kids. We're having a really, really lovely time. So nice to get that last bit of like sun, swimming pool, sea before the summer's over. Very, very grateful to be here. I'm all fresh-faced and makeup free this morning. Rich, the hero, has just taken both kids to buffet breakfast to sort them out. And I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit for you guys today. I'm wearing my M&S swimsuit and I can't actually remember where these like beach trousers are from. I think they're from ASOS and they have done me very well on the 2 holidays that we've had this summer. Right, I need to get myself sorted so I can go and help Rich. Let's go outside on the balcony. It's so nice this morning. Wow, it's really hot already. It's only 8:30 Greek time, which is 6:30 at home. We try to kind of keep the kids on UK time, just because it means then we get like later mornings and later evenings, because obviously we're 2 hours ahead here. It just kind of works out well and kind of makes sense, although I think Gray's already adjusted. It's quite hard to keep her on UK time. I'm just going to do a bit of skincare this morning. I've got with me some of my favourite Beauty Pie bits. This is the triple hyaluronic acid serum, and this is my favourite for when I want hydration on my skin. Obviously I've been in the sun a little bit, so this just makes it feel all nice and juicy. This video is actually sponsored by Beauty Pie, and it's a really exciting one because I've got a couple of really cool things to tell you and to kind of like offer to you guys. Everything I mention, all the products I show throughout this video, will be down in the description box below. I've basically created an edit of products for Beauty Pie. So there's a page on their website that I will link to down below that's got all of my favourite Beauty Pie products, and that's my favourite way to shop at Beauty Pie. Like, I'm always asking friends, or I'm even asking you guys on Instagram, like, what are your favourite products? And personal recommendation is just the best. So if you're a member of Beauty Pie and you're not really sure what to put in your basket, or maybe you're totally new to it and a bit overwhelmed, you can look at my edit and it's got all of my favourite bits, and from skincare, body care, fragrance, everything. So that's really exciting. I'm also going to pop on some of the Beauty Pie SPF 50. I love this one. I also love the SPF 30 because I'm obviously here and I'm in the sun. I'm going to pop on quite a bit of this and just get that all over and down onto my neck as well. Oh, I wish I could do my skincare routine out on a sunny balcony every morning. That feels so nice on my skin. It's such a nice lightweight SPF. Oh, I totally forgot my favourite step. This is the Jeju, I never know how to say this, Jeju Daily. It's a rehydration mist. I actually normally put this on first. Oh, this is so nice. I love bringing this away with me because it is such a multitasker. I use it on my skin in the morning to rehydrate. I kind of use it after I've done my makeup just to kind of mesh everything into the skin, and it kind of stops any makeup sitting on top of your skin. Also really nice to use throughout the day, nice to use on flights. It's just such a multi-purpose spray. Oh my gosh, it's getting very warm out here. Okay, aircon for life. So in my edit of Beauty Pie favourites, which I'm just so excited about, it's so nice to see it all in one place. I've got so many like old favourites that I've been using for a really long time, but I've also got a couple of new favourites because they've just brought out 2 new hair care products that I'm so obsessed with, so I've included those in my edit. First one is the Super Healthy Hair 7 Oil Hair Elixir. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I love this hair oil. It's made with macadamia, jojoba, peach kernel, that is what makes it smell so good, rose hip, wheat germ, olive and rice oils. So I just put actually just 1 pump because I can't even tell you how incredible this smells. Like, hands down best smelling hair product that I've ever used. I'm literally just running it lightly through the mid-length and ends of my hair, and I've been using this for 2 to 3 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It is so good. My hair can be a little bit dry, especially when I'm out in the sun here, but even at home, actually even in the colder weather, it just swings more dry, and This is just the most gorgeous. Do you know what? I'm just gonna put the excess on my arms because it's such a gorgeous oil. I don't want to waste any. Oh, it's just incredible. You guys, I know what you guys like and you are gonna love this hair oil. The other hair product is the Super Healthy Hair Luscious Moisture Treatment Mask. So this has got nourishing argan oil and protective sun damage resistors. So I bought this with me because at the moment I'm keeping my hair straight. So this is from before I came. I'm just kind of tying it up when I'm in the swimming pool and it's staying straight, but it's not gonna stay like this the whole time. I'm definitely gonna dive into the swimming pool, get my hair wet, and then I'll start wearing my hair curly. And I thought this would be brilliant to use whilst on holiday because, like it says, protective sun damage. So my hair's gonna be a little bit frazzled and this will really help. This also smells gorgeous. A different smell. This is more of like a hair care smelling product. Very fresh. It's just the most luxurious, like thick cream. I've used this a couple of times already and have seen a massive difference in my hair. So I really recommend those two products. Oh, whilst I'm here, sorry, I feel like I'm talking at you loads, but Rich has got the kids at breakfast and this is like my only chance to actually sit and chat to you guys and give you all the important information, and then the rest of the vlog can be just like chaos. Beauty Pie have actually given me a bit of an exclusive offer which I'm really excited to tell you guys about. And this is for new Beauty Pie members but also for existing Beauty Pie members, which is so exciting. Okay, so here are the details. Are you ready? You will get a free gift with purchase, which will be this, one of my absolute favourite products, the Jeju Daily Rehydrating Mist I showed you earlier. You'll get this for free if you use my code LILYGIFT. So this is redeemable to new Beauty Pie members who are signing up to the Plus membership and existing Beauty Pie members who spend over £85. And my code LILYGIFT will be working until the 18th of September. I am just buzzing to tell you guys about this. I feel like I gave you a lot of information. Here's a summary. Down in the description box, you've got my favourites edit of all my all-time favourite Beauty Pie products, including the 2 new hair products. You've also got a code to use until the 18th of September, LILYGIFT, and that will give you free gift with purchase. That's for new members signing up to the Plus membership and existing members who spend over £85. There you go. I need to finish getting ready. Whilst I've been away, I've been using the Beauty Pie Sheer Tinted Oil-Free SPF 20. I know I've already put SPF on, but you can never wear too much. This just gives like a little bit of coverage without being like too much of anything. So it's really nice if you just want to wear like a little bit of something. Rub that all the way into the skin. And it's a really gorgeous like sheer tint. Can't really see what I'm doing because I'm using the camera as a mirror. I'll probably just put on a little bit of concealer. Okay, I'm gonna head to breakfast. I'm just wearing this white shirt from And Other Stories over my swimming costume and trousers. Oh, I haven't done my sun cream yet, but I'll do that in a bit. Okay, let's go find some food. I am so hungry. Good morning, everybody. I panicked so hard at a hotel buffet and I end up getting things that I would never normally get. So yeah, fried egg, mushrooms and bacon on toast this morning. Didn't think I was that hungry.
I don't like the skin.
Oh, okay.
That's why I eat it.
This is how I like my bacon. Gray makes me play this game where she phones me on her Angelina Ballerina phone and I've got to answer on my phone. Okay, ready? Hello? How are you? What are you doing today?
I'm going to the playground.
Oh, that'll be fun. Can you see me?
Yeah.
What do you want me to say?
I think now.
Okay, we've come back to the room and now is the chaos of getting the kids sun creamed up. Pray for us. We're right on the seafront, which is really lovely, but it's not like a normal beach. It's kind of hard to explain. There's like steps going into the sea. So it's not a kind of beach and sea that you can paddle in. You literally walk down steps and you're in like deep sea. Well, actually, it's not too deep. I could stand in it. So you walk along here and these are the steps right into the sea. Oh my god, that noise, right? So we totally underestimated how much trickier it is when the second kid is moving and crawling. Because when Gray was crawling, when she learned how to crawl in lockdown. And by the time we were out of that first couple of rounds of lockdown, she was walking. So we're totally not used to like even going out to cafes or going to shops or going anywhere with a baby that wants to get down on the floor and crawl. Last time we went on holiday in June, he wasn't crawling yet. He was just like a baby that slept in the buggy. So it's very different. It's literally one parent to each child. It's pretty full on. He's a good kid, but he wants to get down and he wants to crawl all the time, even when it's not really like appropriate. So yeah, we're in the next phase of parenting with two. Rich is going for a swim. I'm attempting an iced coffee, although I have to say I've got a real issue with drinking tea or coffee abroad because I think I'm really fussy about milk. Anyone else feel the same? I don't know. I'm just trying to get a bit of caffeine in me though, so this is kind of doing the trick. I went for the almond milk, but it's quite sweet. We have an array of toys and all Rudy wants to do is eat the leaves from the ground. Gray's having a little moment with her Amazon tablet watching Frozen. It's like swim, come out, dry, rest, reset, swim, repeat. Is this his first time in the sea? Or did he go in when we went?
No, he didn't go in, it's too cold.
It was too cold. Oh my god, Rudy, your first time in the sea.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Did you love it?
Is that fun? Go splash splash?
I thought he was crying. You said he was just getting excited.
No, splash.
Did you wave at me? You waved at me, didn't you?
Is that nice?
You having a nice time?
Yes.
What are you having for lunch?
Tuna salad. It's like fig and like citrus stuff going on.
That sounds nice.
I know, excited.
Also, living for this bread and tapenade. So good. Gray, you like this dip as well, don't you? Gray and Rudy are sharing spaghetti. This is Richard's salad. Yeah, it's pasta. And this is my salad. Got like a ham melon situation going on here. Absolute typical. We're just hanging in the shade and playing. It's so nice, but Rudy's starting to get tired. We actually normally just let him nap in the buggy and we just hang out, but we're all a bit hot and tired today, so I think we're gonna head back to the room and let him nap in the cot, and it'll be nice and air-conned. Gray can lie on the bed, watch a bit of iPad, get some chill time. Rich said he might have a nap. I need to do some work. This trip was really last minute, so I couldn't really, I kind of had some work commitments that I have to continue with, some like calls and certain jobs and stuff, and so it might be a good chance for me to sit on the balcony, get my laptop out and do some work. So I think that's what we're going to do. It's also the hottest part of the day, so it's not great for the kids to be out in the sun anyway. And then we'll head to the other pool for this afternoon. You okay? You getting tired? Gray's stolen Rich's hat and my sunglasses. Rudy, stop banging on the bin for a minute. Right, we just had an epic family break in the room. Oh my god, it was so nice. I'm actually really glad that we did that. Rudy, sorry for the banging. Rudy had a nap, Gray watched a bit of Frozen, and then she had a nap. I edited a video, and then I even had a bit of a nap. Rich watched his film. We all feel well rested, a bit like a reset. Now we all feel like it's like part 2 of the day, makes the day feel even longer. And we're gonna go out and go to the other pool. Got myself a poolside Oreo ice cream, which is totally delicious. Shake, 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 shake. Look, 1, 2.
You okay?
Yeah, if you throw that in the bin, it's going to attract wasps. Okay, I think we're all showered. 2 out of 4 of us are dressed, so this is looking good so far. We've realised that actually if we give Rudy like a food pouch or something now, it keeps him going for a little bit longer, so we don't have to rush down for dinner so early. I'm wearing this dress from Arket. Is it from Arket? Yeah, I literally just bought it, but I had a mind blank then. It's from Arket. I didn't manage to get the straps taken up yet. I really need them taken up, so I'm going to be pulling it up all night, but I really wanted to wear it. Thought it'd be perfect for this trip. I'm going to quickly do some touch-ups before I go out, so I'm going to do a quick spray of my spray. Honestly, I use this thing so much. Also just looked in the mirror and I definitely need a little bit of blush. This one from Beauty Pie is called Bare Blush and it's a gorgeous cream blusher. So there's not many places to like balance my camera, so you're like balancing on my suitcases. I'm literally just gonna press that in and then use this little buffing brush to just blend that into the skin. I hope you can see that. There you go, I've just kind of like opened the windows a bit. On my eyes, I'm wearing my favourite cream shadow stick from Beauty Pie, which is On Taupe. These are so easy, you just wind them up, swish it on your lids, use your finger to blend in. So good when you're in a rush. And then this lipstick I wear all the time, which is called You Sexy Thing. It's just a really nice nude. And that is me done, ready. Now I just need to watch the kids while Rich finishes getting ready, and I need to help get Rudy dressed, who is going to be in his pajamas because he tends to kind of fall asleep in the buggy whilst we're out after dinner, and then we can just like put him straight in the cot. This is the little bag I take out with me because it's just so tiny, perfect when all you need is like lipstick, mirror, key card, phone, camera. Where did I get this little bag from? Mango? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this was from Mango. Also, I've slathered myself in the Beauty Pie Super Healthy Skin Body Moisturizer, which is my absolute favourite. I've got the travel set, so it comes with the minis, and I brought the moisturizer with me for this trip. I love the smell. It's so hydrating on the skin, and I've just put it all over after a day in the sun. This is the moisturizer I use at home as well, though, so I've just put it all over my neck, all over my shoulders, all over my arms, legs, absolutely everywhere. Oh my god, it smells so good. And these are the shoes I'm gonna wear from And Other Stories. So they're like a little bit heely, so they go with the dress, but they're not like proper heels, so I can actually walk in them. They're more like sandals, I'd say. The kids are hungry, but the sunset is beautiful. This is my absolute favorite time of day on holiday. It's 7 o'clock. My watch is on UK time, it's very confusing. No one's in the restaurant. We're like the first ones in the restaurant. It's very peaceful. The dinner took a bit of a turn. Rudy got stung by a wasp at dinner, which was really sad. I don't think Gray's ever been stung, so I didn't really know what to do. He just started screaming like he'd had an injection, and then we saw there are quite a few wasps here, like especially when you're eating, and I thought they were like non-stinging wasps. I know that sounds crazy because they're not, they don't seem like wasps like we have at home and you can kind of shoo them away, so I've been really chilled about it. But then he got stung on his leg and he's really sad. It was really sad. So he's kind of like falling asleep now and getting over the trauma. We're heading up to the bar area, see if there's any evening entertainment. We found a basketball net and now we're basically acting like big kids. Whoa, Jesus. See if my netball day is goal attack. All right, ready? Yes! Yes, great! Oh! You just hit the camera and Gray.
It was on.
Rich just kicked the ball and kicked the camera and Gray. No. The two things you definitely shouldn't have kicked.
It's the other way.
Right guys, I'm going to end the vlog here because, you know, evening, kids' bedtime, all of that malarkey. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it. A little bit different. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the codes and my edit from Beauty Pie and everything you need to know that I mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.